Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Fariba from watchknitting.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the knots at back of the knitted pattern. So when I was making my hat, I made a knot to continue my pattern. I left it there, and now it's time to address it. Here is how we can fix it. Gently remove the knot and use a tapestry needle to weave the loose ends into the surrounding stitches. And follow the direction of the stitches as you work. You can weave both strands at once, but I prefer doing them one at a time in opposite directions. Once you have worked in the first strand, repeat the process with the second one and carefully passing it through stitches nearby. After both strands are secured and hidden, trim the excess yarn. The result is a smooth and tidy bag without any visible knots. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips. Thank you for watching.